Alright everyone, so I'm making this video because it's going to be easier to show everyone via a Discord link instead of having to tell everyone individually how to do this. The backstory is I created an Ark Survival Evolved server a little while back, which did run some mods, and because of people being busy and not all of my friends having decent gaming computers, that just didn't work. The Ark Survival Evolved server may still stay up and may be independent someday, however, right now it's not. Um, so instead, this is going to be a Minecraft server mod tutorial, because I did set up a Minecraft server today. I've wasted almost my entire day doing it, and I'm going to waste at least 5 to 10 minutes of your time by watching this video so that maybe I'll finally have my revenge for how much of my life this has sucked out of me. Okay, very important. Um, Modding Minecraft is a pain in the rear. A lot of people know this. As you can see up here, I have the Technic launcher for some things, but yeah, that isn't important. This is how to do it out of the box. I've done most of the work already on my end. This is just for you, the user, to connect to my server, what you're going to need, and what we're going to do here. So the first step is to open your Minecraft. Once this boots up here, you're going to go into your launch options. You can either choose a current profile and edit it, or you can make a new profile. In making a new profile, what you want to do is you want to make sure the game is set down to 1.7.10. Now you're going to end up changing this later, but I would just save the configuration. We'll just name it test and save it. So you have a 1.7.10 configuration of Minecraft. This is important. This is the server we're going to be running. Now we're actually going to be running the Minecraft Forge version, but that number is important. We are running 1.7.10. Okay. Close that. First thing you're going to be doing is going to your web browser, going to minecraftforge.net, and you're going to see this. This might not be the complete main page, but these are all the versions of Minecraft Forge that exist. You're going to scroll down until you get to the 1.7 category, which for you is going to be, it's going to have this cross icon. It's not going to be checked. Clicking it will open up these three options. You're going to go to 1.7.10, and you're going to download the one with the full star. Now in this situation there are actually two with the full star, but the newer version is recommended. So if you're running on Windows, you're going to be installing it from here. If you're running on something other than Windows, you're probably going to be installing it from here. As you can tell, I am using a Windows 10 PC. I have not used a Macintosh for this. In fact, I'm not entirely sure if all of these mods are compatible with OS 10. We'll find out. But for those with Windows, you're going to be downloading here. For those with OS 10, you're going to be downloading here. And for those with Linux, I really don't know how to help you. I imagine here as well. So once that file is downloaded, you're going to get it. It's going to look like this. And when you open it, you're going to get a few options here. So for me, what you do is you install client to wherever your Minecraft is installed. Don't worry, you will not have to change the directory. This directory will be the directory of your Minecraft if you already have Minecraft installed. Again, the first thing you should have is Minecraft installed before you mess around with anything else. What I had to do afterwards is install it to my server, but you don't have to do that. You're just a user that's going to be logging on to the server. So all you need to do is click install client. This path will already be correct for you. I'm not going to do it because I already did it. It will install. It'll probably say added some libraries. That's fine, and you're done with Forge. So I'm going to click X, and I'm probably going to get an error message like it didn't install properly or something. That's just because I X'd out of it during installation. So once Forge is done, you're going to go to your %appdata% here. Very important. You're going to want to write that down if you don't know what that is. We're going through this a few times. So this is going to be your .minecraft file, and this is going to house everything in it. It may not already have a mods folder here. If it does not, simply create a new folder by clicking new and then folder, and then name it mods. For this situation, I'm just going to delete the folder I made, but just name it mods, just like this, all lowercase letters, and it will take that. And we're going to go into the mods folder in a second. However, we're going to be splitting the mod download installation into two parts, just for the sake of this going as smoothly as possible. Again, this is assuming Minecraft Forge is already installed. That is an important step. So we're going to go back over things again here for a second. You're going to install Minecraft. Then you are going to install Minecraft Forge. I should point out, before downloading any mods, you're going to want to reload or open your Minecraft back up. And I already have it set to Forge here. In your profile, let's go to the profile we just made, which is test. You're going to want to change this now that you have Forge installed. From the release, and by scrolling all the way down here, you will see your Forge. Don't pay attention to 0.2, I was messing around with them earlier. 1.7.10 is the Forge that you just installed. You want to make sure that your Minecraft account is on the Forge version, not on the normal version of 1.7.10. So we're going to click Save. And that is the version you're going to launch the game with. Okay, now that that is done, we are ready to download some mods. I'd recommend launching the game with Forge to make sure everything works fine. I'm not going to do it here as that eats up extra time. Once you've tested that and Forge installs and launches, we're going to start downloading some mods. So we're going to split it into two groups here for the sake of installation. The first 5 mods: Advent of Ascension, Buildcraft, the Twilight Forest, Tinker's Construct, and Mantle API, which goes with Tinker's Construct. There are 2 we're going to do last because they're a little different. So for Advent of Ascension, pretty simple. You're going to head to the wiki. You're going to click Download here. And this is going to take you to his wiki page, which you're going to scroll all the way down. Keep going down. Eventually we'll get there. And click the download. The main one. This is going to take you to Mega. Well, first it's going to take you to AdFly, which then is going to be skippable and take you to Mega. A lot of people don't like Mega. I don't like it either, but this is the only mod you have to actually go through it for. So we'll head over there in a minute just to show you this does indeed work. This is the only mod that has to be downloaded this way. Here's Mega. Blah, blah, blah. Ignore anything they say. This is just a dumb page. And you're going to want to download this. Again, people hate AdFly. They hate Mega. I do as well. This is the only mod you have to get this way, and this is the big one. This is the mod that's going to make the game very, very different. So you download this, and then it will be a jar file on your desktop somewhere. The reason why I'm going to include the next 4 in rapid fire motion is because they're all installed the same way. So I'm going to go to my mods folder. Again, my mods folder is done. I don't want to be confusing with this. Your mods folder will be empty right now. So I'm going to take Advent of Ascension out just for the sake of doing it. Once you download it, you can just put it on your desktop, right? Drag it into your mods folder and you're done. Absolutely done. That mod is installed. Very, very easy. The next 4 are installed the exact same way. So you head over to Buildcraft. Make sure you're running the newest release of it, 1.7.10. Download that. Then, or I should say this version of it. That isn't the newest version. Then, once that's done, you're going to get the Twilight Forest, which is already set to download 1.7.10. Click download now. Then Tinker's Construct, which this is a little different. Same exact thing. However, you want to make sure you're on page 3 here of the downloads, and you go for this. This is the Tinker's Construct 1.7.10 1.8.8.jar. This is the very last and very newest version of the mod that works on this version of Minecraft. As you can see, it has the most downloads by far. Download that, and then download Mantle. Mantle is required for mods such as Tinker's Construct to run. And again, we're going to go down here to the bottom, to the very last release of this version of Minecraft, which again has by far the most downloads. Oops. Ignore that. Alright. Which will actually be, hey, for clarification, because I just made a mistake that was actually very useful for the video, it's on page 2, not page 1. So once you have all 5 of those mods, you will throw them all in your mods folder, and it will look like this. You will see Advent of Ascension, you will see Twilight Forest, you'll see Tinker's Construct, you'll see Mantle, and you'll see Buildcraft. Those mods are all done and installed properly. I would definitely recommend booting up Minecraft at this point. Perhaps you want to boot up Minecraft one mod at a time, if you're picky, just to make sure they all install properly. But these 5 should not have any classification issues. There shouldn't be any strange problems that require one to boot up before the other. But those 5, done. The last 2, because personally, I really don't care about Forge Multipart, but it's required for Wayla. Wayla stands for What Am I Looking At?, which is a mod that once you play with it in Minecraft, you can't not have it. It is extremely useful, especially if you're running Advent of Ascension, you're fighting all kinds of new monsters that you've never seen before. It's important to know their health bar. It's important to know what they can do. It's important to know how much health they have left and how much damage they can deal. Waila is very important for that. So what you're going to do here is head over to Chicken Bones Mods. It may require a bit of searching on the internet to get, but this is the page you want. And this all looks very complicated. This really isn't. You're going to go to this first one that says Downloads Installation. Code Chicken Core requires Minecraft Forge. Well, we already have Minecraft Forge, so that's fine. What you're going to do is you're going to head over here, minecraftforge.net. So this is a very, very simple web page. Don't worry about it. Nothing scary here. But this is about as simple as you can get. Utterly no customization here. And where you're going to go is you're going to see the newest version of it, 1.7.10, is the newest version of Forge Multipart for this version of Minecraft. You're going to want to download the universal version. I actually don't know if this version of Minecraft or if the development version of Minecraft impacts at all, but I would download the universal, as I believe that is spoken in the forum post. So download the universal. What you're going to do, stop doing that. Or I should say stop doing anything. Once you have the universal version of it, throw it in the mod folder like this, and then boot up Minecraft. What's going to happen is it is going to automatically create this file right here, the 1.7.10 file, which is going to automatically have code chickenlib, which stands for, it's just the way this guy has written his thinking file, I suppose. Thinking file is a very, very non-technical way of saying that, but whatever. So then this mod is installed. This mod doesn't do anything. It just allows for a future. It just allows for Waila to work. And this will be in here. It has to be done in this order. You cannot throw them both in at the same time. So once you booted up Minecraft with this 6th mod here, Forge Multipart, and this has automatically been installed, then you will go over to Waila. You can just Google Waila for Minecraft. You'll get this page here from Professor Mobius, and you're going to want to scroll all the way down to this version. This is the newest version and the only one for 1.7.10. You're going to download it, and finally you are going to chuck it in this mods folder. And at that point, you're going to boot up Minecraft, and you will be complete with the installation. I don't believe I left anything out here. This took many tries for me today because I was messing around with different mods, seeing which mods would hold up and what would not. I don't know how impactful this will be on people's computers. For me, it obviously runs fine, but that's me. I have a more powerful PC here than probably everyone playing on this server, with the exception of a few people I know, but I don't know if they're going to be playing Minecraft with their computers. But hey, so again, for one last time here at the end of the video, I'm going to go over all the instructions again. You're going to launch Minecraft. You're going to make sure you are in launching version 1.7.10. You're going to close Minecraft. You're going to go get Minecraft Forge. You're going to open it. It's going to launch. You're going to click Install Client. This, you should not have to change this. As long as Minecraft is already installed, it will automatically install to this area. Once that is done, you're going to go download Advent of Ascension, Buildcraft, Tinker's Construct, Mantle, and Twilight Forest. The mods, you could install them one at a time if you wanted to, or you could chuck all 5 in the mods folder. It should not matter. Then boot up with Forge, make sure they all work, close your game. Then you're going to go back to, or I should say for the first time, you're going to go to Chicken Bones here. You're going to click this first spoiler. You're going to go to files.minecraftforge.net. You're going to come over here. You're going to download the universal version. You're going to put it in your mods folder. You're going to launch Minecraft Forge. It is going to automatically install this 1.7.10 folder. In that folder is going to be Code Chickenlib. That's automatically done for you. Then once that version is done and it works in Minecraft, shut Minecraft down, head over and download What Am I Looking At? Throw that in the mods folder, boot up Minecraft, and you're done. This has been a long video. I did speak some things fairly quickly, and I probably said a few things incorrectly. But I can help people on my Discord channel who are interested in joining. This is if there is something wrong, it's probably one step in here. I wrote this out, or I thought this out mentally several times before taking this video. I believe that is the correct order. I've been failing a lot today. In about 8 hours of trying to get between getting the server up originally and then getting a modded server up, it did take a while. But anyway, I'll stop rambling, and hopefully this video will save us all some time. Going to end the recording now.